east wind and piles of coyote tracks. We're gonna try and do some howling here first and see if we can get something in. Oh no, that's no good. Squeaky fucking tripod. Brutal. Brutal. Oh. Kind of a female invitation, no? I got one, guys. He's staring at me. He just popped out of nowhere. I can't move. Shit. Magpies are coming. Come on, you bugger. Shit, where'd he go? What's he doing? Come on. This camera sucks, man. I can't see shit. I lost him. Oh, there he is. By that fallen tree there. Okay, there we got him under. Oh, there's another one. Alright, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna have to get ready here. It's about to go down. My wind changed. Nailed that guy. Woo! Woo! Nailed that guy. I got one down, guys, and I got one with a bad hit. Shit. He's my far back on the run there, but tipped him anyway. He'll be dead. Look at that, boys. Solo style. got one there. That's a easy 200 some yard shot. All right, I'm gonna keep calling here. Not bad. First stand of the day today. I got out late. It's like freaking afternoon already. I called in the double. I seen the first one. All of a sudden, I was calling there, and all of a sudden, boom! There he was sitting on the bank. I didn't see the other one until I started that critter distress, and he come. And he was going down the wrong way. I had the camera in the way, so I took the far one all the way across the river, took him, and then I turned and tried to get this guy. Made a bad shot on him, but I think he'll be down. Ooh, this is soft. Well, damn, guys. The blood quit. Just the odd little drop here and there. That one got away. He went more than 20. Holy shit, that's thick. But I seen this too. Little white-tailed buck. Huh. Cool. What is that there? Well, we'll go and get this other guy. Man, that's too bad that one got away. Shit happens. Gotta walk across this river. Looks like sandbar right here. Yeah. But this was a good shot. I mean, I'll pace it when I walk back. Pace it out when I walk back to my spot there. But it's all the way across this river. Gotta be 200 yard shot. That other one wasn't close to a shot. Too bad though. Damn. Right here she was standing. Pissed herself when I whacked her. Right there. That little, where is it? I can't see shit in this screen. Clump of stuff on the ice is where I was hiding behind. Kinda out in the open. Oh, rubbed real bad, guys. You see that? It's January 28th. That coyote is rubbed big time. Not worth a damn thing. That's too bad. Here, I'm gonna set you down here. There we have it. Rubbed right out. 204. It's a nice caliber for this. No hole, no eggs. Well, no damage. But man, is this coyote toast? He's rubbed right out. There is nothing left. Nothing left. It's too bad. It's that time of year, I guess. Doing it for predator control and a little bit of fun more than anything now. I love shooting. I just love shooting. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk back to where I was sitting and we'll give you a final I hear a vehicle or something back there. Give you a final yardage. Alrighty. Rubbed right out, too bad. You can see that, guys. Nothing left. Alright, I'm standing where I shot the one on the run there, the close one, the first one. He's 215 paces from where I was sitting. And then the first one I shot, it was 206 paces. He folded. He folded like nothing. I think I'm gonna like this 204. She's a flat shooter and she's fast. Minimal pelt damage on that one. That's real good to see. Alrighty guys, let's go try and do another one.